In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate Dataview queries to Obsidian bases. Open your Obsidian app. In this setup, there is a sample folder that contains 5 notes, and there is also one note outside that folder in the Books folder. Make sure the Dataview plugin is already installed before moving into the migration. Go to the lower left corner of Obsidian and click Settings. In the left sidebar, click Community Plugins. Turn on Community Plugins. Once that section is active, click Browse. Move to the search bar and type Dataview. Wait for the result to appear. Then click the Dataview result. Click Install. When the installation finishes, click Enable, then close Settings. Now open the existing Dataview query. In the left sidebar, click the Dashboard note. In this project, the note is called Reading Dashboard. The note shows a Dataview table with the book entries, and this is the query being migrated. Right-click the Note tab at the top, then choose Show Source. You can also use Ctrl+E or Command+E to switch modes. In Source mode, the raw Dataview code block becomes visible. You should now see a code block that starts with Dataview and ends with the closing code fence. Select the full Dataview query but do not include the opening or closing code fences. Start from the line that begins with table author, rating, status, genre. Continue selecting all the way down to the line that says sort rating DESC. With that full query highlighted, press Ctrl+C or Command+C to copy it. Now open your web browser. Go to the Dataview to Bases Converter page. On that page, you should see 2 text boxes side by side. The left box is labeled Dataview Query, and the right box is labeled Bases YAML. Click inside the Dataview Query box on the left. Then paste the query you copied by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V. Leave the checkbox for placing filters in views instead of globally check. That option is already enabled by default. Then click the Convert to Bases button below the input box. The converted result appears in the Bases YAML box on the right. Click inside that right text box. Select all of the text with Ctrl+A or Command+A. Then copy it with Ctrl+C or Command+C. Switch back to Obsidian and return to the Reading Dashboard node in Source mode. If needed, press Ctrl+E or Command+E to make sure you are in Source mode. At the top of the code block, find the opening line that currently says Dataview. Change that opening line so it says Base instead. After that, select everything inside the code block, meaning the lines between the opening and closing code fences, and delete those existing query lines. Paste the converted YAML into that same space. Once the converted content is in place, switch back to Reading View by pressing Ctrl+E or Command+E again. The inline table is now replaced by an inline base. It should show the same 5 book entries, with the same columns for author, rating, status, and genre. It should also keep the same filtering behavior, excluding any item with the status of abandoned, and it should remain sorted by rating in descending order, matching the original Dataview query. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now fine-tune the inline base. At the top of the base, click the Properties button in the toolbar. This is where you control which columns are visible. Check a property to show that column, or uncheck a property to hide it. If genre is currently visible and you want it hidden, uncheck genre. If file name is not visible and you want the note name column displayed, check file name. To adjust sorting, click the Sort button in the toolbar. In the Sort settings, click the Property drop-down to choose the field you want to sort by. Then change the direction if needed between ascending and descending. You can also add additional sort levels here if the base needs more than one sorting rule. To change filtering, click the Filter button in the toolbar. In that panel, you can modify the existing conditions, add new conditions, or switch the filter logic between all and any. As soon as you make any of these changes in Properties, Sort, or Filter, the base updates immediately. There is no separate save step required. That completes the migration from a Dataview query to an Obsidian base.